Today I will be replacing my turn signals hub, or I forget what it's called. I put the description down below. So I'm gonna replace this, and the reason why, because they're old, very old, and I mean, it's dingy. I mean, it's not clear anymore, and I don't know how to fix it, so I'm replacing them. The two tools you would need, or a wrench, or an impact gun, or a drill. This is a 3/8 with the extension. This is a T15. You would need these two tools. If you have a drill, it'll make things a lot quicker. So I'm gonna show you how to replace it. All right, go ahead and take your new one and put this in here. Should just fall right into place, and then just twist it. And it's not coming out. And do the same thing for this one. Put it inside, line up the two tabs, and then just twist it. And now to bolt it up. All right, go ahead and take your 3/8 bolts. There's two here and two on the bottom. So let me go ahead and put one of them in. I'm gonna put the two on the top first. Okay, got that one. I ain't gonna tighten it up all the way until I get all four of them in. That one was a little tight. I don't know how tight you needed to make them. And that's it. And then go ahead and take your cover and put it on, line it up. Go ahead and change out your bit. It's this right here, the T15, and there's 4 bolts. One here, one on this side, one down here, one here, one here, and one here, and one up here. So let me go ahead and do that. All right, put one here. You don't need these to be really tight, you just need to snug them up. I think this side is the one that doesn't have one, where it won't screw in. It fell off, or I think it fell off before I even bought the vehicle. So, okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, now do the other side. I'm gonna show you on this one what I did. All right, go ahead and remove this one. Remove this one. Remove that one. And the last one. Okay, take it off. Put this off to the side. And here goes my bolts right here, here, one down here, and one here. All right, I'm gonna take off the ones on the bottom first. Just try not to break it while you're doing this. Yeah, whoever put this one in, it's so brittle, it broke off. You see this? All right, pull it out a little and untwist this and untwist this. You gotta hold the tab down and then twist. So it comes out, and there it is. All right, take your new one, like same as before. Put this one in, screw it in, you may have to move the tape. I forgot to do that earlier. So this one, line up the tabs. Line up the tabs and then twist. That's all you have to do. All right, go ahead and get your 3/8 bolts and do this one first. Screw it in, don't tighten it up yet. Yeah, this does not need to be tight, just like you seen on the other one, it broke. So someone over tightened it. It just needs to be snug. That's it. That's it. That's it. And you're done with that part. Now, go ahead and put this on and bolt these back up. Okay, when you're done, they should look like this. Wow, what a difference. All right, these are my old ones. I mean, they're faded. I mean, and they're old. They're probably never been changed. Someone tightened this one way too tight and broke it. That side and this side. That one's a little cracked right there. And this one's still good. So, yeah, that's what I did today. And it took me no more than 10 minutes. All right, thank you for watching.